Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use saved audio on Instagram on post. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Instagram app on your phone. As soon as you've opened, this is how your interface is gonna look like. We're simply gonna tap on this plus icon for us to create a post and to add our saved audio. Let's tap on the plus. We're gonna switch to post if it in case in the any other option right over there. We're simply gonna go to post, and then we're gonna choose a post for us, and then we're gonna tap on this option of next on top right. As soon as you've done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like. You will have plenty of music to browse from over here. And if you tap on this browse option, right away you will have this kind of interface. Go ahead and add in the song that you like. If you want to go to your saved, tap on this icon of saved, and your original audio will pop up over here that you have saved. And if you go to music, the music that you have saved will also be available right over there. That is how basically easy it is for you to be doing so. And that is simply it. You can simply go ahead and create yourself a post, go to the browse section, tap on saved, and good to go. But in case if you have passed this step, have gone to next, here as well you will find this option of music. Tap on add music, tap on saved, and voila, your saved songs and sounds and audios will be available. So that is basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.